Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by powering down and unplugging your computer for safety and clarity. Inspect the video cable and connector for visible damage or loose connection. Replace the cable with a known good one, ideally a 6-foot HDMI or display port cable. Boot and connect an external monitor to isolate GPU versus panel problems. If the external display is stable, the issue likely affects the internal panel or its cable. If both screens flicker, suspect the graphics card, driver, or power delivery. Update the graphics driver from the GPU maker for the most recent fixes and stability. If flicker started after an update, roll back the driver using Device Manager. Open display settings and set the refresh rate to 60 Hz or the monitor native rate for best compatibility. Disable adaptive brightness and any dynamic contrast features that change luminance rapidly. On laptops, set the power plan to 100% performance to rule out power-saving flicker. Restart after each change to test results clearly. If software fixes fail, prepare to inspect internal hardware carefully and safely. Power down, unplug, and use a Phillips screwdriver and anti-static strap when opening devices to avoid damage. Reseat internal flat cables and LCD connectors, then replace a damaged panel cable with a new 6-foot DisplayPort or HDMI equivalent. For older laptops, replace the LCD inverter or backlight assembly if flicker appears only during startup or at low brightness, typically involving 12V components. If you are uncomfortable, seek professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.